So the first thing I'm going to start with is these rear wheel hubs. I'm going to get those in and then go ahead and see if the CV axles that I ordered are the right length. I'll let this dry and then keep at it. So I cured it real nice, and now I'm gonna start putting all those brand new parts from the differential out, and I'm gonna set up the EBrake cables probably a little bit differently than what would normally be on a 240SX, and definitely different from a Datsun 620 setup. Here we go. Woo! All right, that's close. Those fit. Just had to undo the bolts, and then the drive shaft slipped in, and they look like they're the right length. So great, I don't have to send them back. I'm gonna move on to assembling the brake parts. Figured might as well not bore anyone with reassembling the subframe. Got the new axles in, torqued down the subframe bolts, torqued down the brakes, got new brakes and brake pads on there, or rotors and pads. I need to order soft lines and then make the hard lines that will connect to the blocks that I did in the last video. And then the last thing I'm gonna do on this is mock up the EBrake cables. What I'm gonna do, and I know this isn't the way that these are on the 240SX, but this isn't a 240SX, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm just gonna put a riv nut in here, and then this should go ahead and hold that in place from rotating. So I'm gonna start busting that out and mocking up where I need to put those riv nuts, and then I'll do that. Alright, obviously this looks ridiculous right now. I got zip ties, and then I got some clamps holding this in place, but here's how this is gonna work. These will be as evenly spaced away from the center as I can. And then I got those zip tied up like that. They're not gonna be that close together, but I'll show you. If you look at, here's my front bed mounts, and then that's where the EBrake cables will mount. Here is my front bed mount, and then, you know, I'm probably gonna make a bracket off the back of the fuel tank thing there. It just needs to hold the EBrake cables. They just need to be held in place. I think these bolt under the body of a 240SX, but again, like I said, not a 240SX, so I gotta figure this out. And then I'm just gonna do riv nuts right there, and then this tab should still be able to hold that down just fine, and then those EBrake cables will be done. If you guys know where I can get these clips, do please let me know. pretty productive. I was able to get new bearings for my rear wheel hubs. I got the brakes completely installed, so the new CV axles are installed. I got the coils set as low as I can with these. I'll probably end up going with the Powered by Max ones in the future because I heard they're shorter and I need this to be lower than this. Got the EBrake cables set up. I still need to find those clips and some more hardware for the drive shaft stuff. I'll be able to find those somewhere. So once again, thank you so much for watching these videos. If you guys like these videos, please drop a comment and let me know what you like about them, what you'd like to see. Next up, I know I've said this 3 or 4 times, but next up I'm doing the bed and putting that on, and then from the cab back on this truck's gonna be just completely done. So really looking forward to that. And again, thanks for watching.